What's good, sports fans? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Tom. What's your name? Today I'm going to run you through how to start something, how to create stuff, how to commit to creating stuff until you become successful. It's 2020, the world is burning down. We're on the verge of the biggest economic downturn in history, and you're sat there and you're like, screw this noise. I'm not into this anymore. It's time for me to create. Well, maybe that's you. Maybe it's not. It's definitely me. So a month ago, I decided to follow the advice of the one and only Gary Vee, aka the Sage of NYC. He said that if you have nothing to create, the closest thing you can do is document. So I decided to appease my 4,000 followers on YouTube who have been patiently waiting for my next video drop for the past 2 years. A month ago, I bought a new camera and decided that I was going to document my journey from entrepreneur to entrepreneur. Back in June, I made the decision. I was like, it's time. I'm gonna hop back on that YouTube train. I'm gonna start creating. And I set myself the goal of creating 8 videos by the end of September. And lo and behold, here it is. We are at the end of August and I've done absolutely sweet all. And that was until last week when I stumbled across a video by the powerful Noah Kagan. This video was all about the law of 100 and how to commit to creating something. What is the law of 100? Well, I'm sure you're familiar with the concept of committing to something for 90 days to make it a habit. The law of 100 is a similar concept, except this is specifically to do with creating. Creating 100 units of whatever it is you want to create. Might be blogs, might be vlogs, might be pieces of art, might be, I don't know, pots. Whatever it is you want to start creating, you need to commit to 100 of those before you start seeing any results. Or at least being able to be in a position where you can review having any results. Now, this video isn't actually about the law of 100. Noah did an incredible job of that video. I'll link it up here or here, where he will give 9 actionable tactical tips to create those 100 units of whatever it is you are wanting to create. If this video isn't about the law, then what is this video about? Well, this video is kind of about the law, but it's about the law related to me. This is my pledge to create 100 videos. I commit to creating 100 videos. Now, one thing about me is that I have a relatively short attention span. I get bored pretty easily. I'm always looking for the next challenge. When it comes to creation, I've never created something consistently, and that time has come to create consistently. My commitment is to make a video a week for the next 100 weeks. By my very rudimentary maths, my calendar is suggesting that my 100th video will be live in the final week of July 2022. What incentive do I have for creating 100 videos? Oh, this is something that Noah said in his video, or Noah alluded to in his video. He makes sure that when he sets a big goal, he makes sure that he plans to reward himself at the end of it. So my reward for creating 100 videos is that in August 2022, I'm gonna take a giant motherfucking holiday, and it's gonna be sick. So here it is, first video of 100. I know it's shit, but everyone is shit when they start. But that is exactly the point of this. You just need to start.